Where the shadows drift and lie stands a well of ancient grace, holding calm in its embrace. Bucket waiting, rope held tight, lowered down in gentle light, reaching where the waters keep wisdom in their quiet deep. Draw the water, take it slow, let its healing start to flow from the depths where truths reside, filling every place inside. Majestic branches overhead whisper all the words unsaid. Here you find what others missed, peace within the rising mist. Every drop a tender guide, quenching thirst you hold inside. Take the time to breathe again in the shade of roots and wind. Draw the water, take it slow, let its healing start to flow from the depths where truth